Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Aston Martin DBX and this is by Tomica. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Okay. So here it is. So the first impressions of this car is it looks really nice. It's well made. And one more good thing about this car is it does have some kind of plastic or fiber for headlights, which I never personally expected from Tomica. But the color looks really beautiful. I don't know if you guys are able to see it in the camera. The interior looks really nice. It is a bit flashy, but it looks really nice. The logos and detailing looks pretty amazing. So this is 1/66 scale. I forgot to mention that one. Okay, let's see if this has a suspension. Yes, it does have suspension, which is really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll really well, but at least the wheel doesn't wobble. The wheels doesn't wobble, which is pretty good. And there is one small irregularity in the paint job here. I think you guys can see here. I personally love the interior. It is flashy, but it looks really nice. So that's it for today guys, but before I log off I just want to tell you one thing. So a lot of people are asking me where I'm buying this car. So mostly I buy it from my local shops. So this one I think I bought it from Hamleys. So you can buy all these things from Amazon or Wisplex. You know, most of the time Amazon or Wisplex will give you a good deal. Like, you know, they will give at least 50 to 100 rupees off from the MRP. So just try to go to their website and see if it is tight. I think still it is available in Amazon. There are a lot of things available in Amazon when it comes to Tomica. So try it once. So again, you know, thanks for watching this video. As always, please try to subscribe and support me. So, and have a great day. Goodbye.